The federal government is in a position to help us, and they're just choosing not to. And I don't know what the future holds, but you know, I don't want to go bankrupt. I employ 18 people, and I don't want them to all be out of jobs. It's bleak.
Ginger Robertson, like many small business owners, calling out the federal government as the deadline for Canadian businesses to qualify for partial forgiveness of pandemic loans has arrived. Small businesses and organizations like the Canadian Federation of Independent Business are urging the feds to extend the deadline.
What we're hearing from businesses, and we're getting tons of calls, is confusion, frustration, stress.
Because of COVID-19 safety restrictions affecting small businesses, the feds, through the Canadian Emergency Business Account Loan, paid just under $50 billion to more than 900,000 struggling businesses across Canada. Business owners were able to keep $20,000 of the $60,000 loan if they paid the rest by today, and those who don't would have their loans converted to a 3-year term loan subject to 5% interest. According to the CFIB, many local shops just can't pay.
We have estimated that approximately 1 in 5 businesses are at risk of closure.
Prime Minister Justin Trudeau mentioned in a press conference in Halifax Wednesday that many small businesses have already paid their CEBA loans, and for the ones that haven't, reach out to banks for low-cost loans.
We are now far enough from the pandemic that we do have to wrap up pandemic programs.
Well, I listened to the Prime Minister's press conference, and it's disappointing on many levels, mostly because the public is being misled. You know, saying that one of our options is to take a low cost loan. Well, interest rates have risen significantly, and I don't consider a 10.5% interest on a loan to be low cost.
Robertson says she and her colleagues know it's a loan and it needs to be paid back. Their issue is they just want more time to ensure their businesses survive.
What's going to happen here is mass unemployment. The government thinks it would cost too much money to extend this loan. To us, the time to pay it back, wait and see what happens when, 1 in 3 restaurants won't make it to the end of 2024 and there's mass unemployment.
The CFIB is urging any business owners that are unsure or having issues to either contact them or consult their website for resources. In Toronto, I'm Brandon Rowe for City News.